Struggling to find a cancel button on a confirmed Odoo invoice? Learn the exact menu path to cancel it in under 30 seconds. We'll start from the Odoo homepage, go into Accounting, then Customers, open your invoice, and reset it to Draft to unlock the cancel button. First, navigate to the home page of your Odoo database. That's your starting point. Then, click on Accounting to open the Accounting module. Now, look at the top bar and click on Customers. Once you've done that, click on Invoices to see all of your customer invoices. Now, click on the specific invoice you want to cancel to open it up. At the top, click on Reset to Draft to move the invoice back to draft status. Finally, click on Cancel at the top left to cancel the invoice. And that's it. You're done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.